Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can discover hidden airdrops or hidden token in your wallet. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also join our social platforms where you can get more updates on how to make money online leveraging on crypto. As you can see, we have a channel. You can always check out this channel to see different ways we share on how to get free tokens, crypto airdrops, and also trade signals. Okay, link below this video. Now let's go to the video for the day. Now the first thing we need to do is to first of all go to our Trust Wallet. Then we are going to copy our Binance Smart Chain address. So once you click on receive, you click on copy, then we'll now head over to our browser. Now if you go to your browser, all you need to do is for you to visit this web address right here, bscscan.com. So once you go to bscscan.com, you come to this place, you paste in your wallet address, then you click on the address right here. Now you don't necessarily need to be logged in, alright? So all you need to do is just for you to come to this place when it says token. Okay, you click on token, then you see a lot of coins that are available in that wallet that you might not have in your Trust Wallet, okay, but on the blockchain they're in your wallet. So as you can see right here, then you search for tokens that are there, and hopefully you get to see some of them that you don't actually know existed. So but another thing you need to pay attention to, which is very, very important, is that some of these coins are actually scam. Okay, and if you also want to know, how to detect scam coins, there's a video I made for that as well. But another quick way to detect them is this: some of these coins are having .io.org, having a kind of website URL name in them. Most of them are spam tokens. Most of them are scam. Okay, but basically the aim of this video is to show you how to discover tokens that you never knew. So let me just look for one here and show you how you can add them up when you've seen them. Okay, how you can add them up on your Trust Wallet so that you can see them on your wallet. So let's use let me use this one as an example, this Evergrow coin. So if you click on the particular one you want to add, or maybe you are not seeing this Evergrow coin in your wallet, but you when you came to this BSCscan, you saw it on your wallet, so you want to add it now to your Trust Wallet. So once you click on it, all you need to do is to scroll down, you copy the smart contract address of that token, then you go back to your Trust Wallet. Then you now click on add token. Okay, once you click on add token, you paste it there. Now if it doesn't show up here, okay, all you need to do is for you to click on add custom token, okay, and paste it right here. Okay, and you will still see the same coin right here. So but for ours it's showing here, so all we need to do is just for you to select it. Then we'll now go back to our wallet and see, then we'll refresh and see if the coin will appear. So once you refresh, as you can see right here, the coin just appeared right here. Okay, so that is how guys, you can discover tokens that are in your Trust Wallet that you never knew existed. Okay, if you love this video, if you love what we do here, please make sure to subscribe, and also don't fail to watch other videos on how to make free tokens and how to make money online leveraging on cryptocurrency. And also, if you are yet to be part of the Ultron project, please check this video right here. Check our Ultron series and get to know more about Ultron. It's a blockchain project that you can participate in and invest in the future of a blockchain, just like you would have invested in the future of Ethereum and the rest of them. Okay, so guys, that is all for today, and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.